In this video, I will show you how to delete all Instagram messages. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. To do that, all you have to do now, go and open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this message section at the top right side. If you come to this section now you can be able now to see all your messages on Instagram. As you can see here, it's all are my messages. So in order for me to delete all messages, all you have to do now, tap on this section, this filter option. So all you have to do now, go and filter type of the message that you want to delete. For me, let's say I want to delete or read messages. So if you want to delete unanswered messages or plug or people you follow messages, tap on this, just select the one you want. So for me, I will select this first one. So now it will give you all the list of the messages that you have not read. So all you have to do now, if you want to delete them, don't just long press your hand on it and tap on this delete button. So by tapping on this delete button, now it will delete all my messages with this person, all my conversation with this person. That's it, guys, on how to delete all messages on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.